Hello, my er.pedia friend. I hope you all are having a very good day. I was inactive in YouTube just because I was unable to manage my time for YouTube because of my study. Now I am graduating, so I promise I'll continue uploading videos in a regular manner. So with that promise, I came with a cool video of an Excel where I'll give you a practical idea about highlighting the blank cells. This highlighting is essential to make it easier to address data qualities issues. So in this video, I'll give you three methods, but the third one is the best one, where you will get to know about the coding in Excel. So now without any further talk, let's dive into the video. This is the Excel data set for today's explanation. I get the data from the ChatGPT. I simply ask the ChatGPT, I'm planning to make this types of video. I need the large data size so that I can explain my viewers in a clear manner. And we have the data till 10,000. This is large data size. So this video is very much useful for everyone, and especially for one who works in the large data size and want to clearly visualize, want to know where their blank cells are. When you go look over the every blank cells and highlight, it's a lengthy process, right? And we don't want to do that lengthy process because we want to save our time and complete our tasks in a couple of minutes, right? So in order to start with the method one, first we need to select our whole data. To select the whole data, we just need to press Ctrl and A. We select all data, and then we have to again press Ctrl plus G. It will take you to the go to dialog box. Now and there's a special over here, just click on the special and you have to select the blanks. Once you select the blanks, all the blanks will be highlighted. Once all the blanks are highlighted, then you just need to change the color of it and you will easily visualize where your blank cells are. This is the simplest method, and this one is the old school method. I call this as the old school method because if you want to add some extra information over here, just like you need to add the extra informations. Now here these blank cells are not highlighted, and if you want to change the data from over here and delete it and you don't want that number over there, then it won't show the highlighted in the futures. If you want to do highlight the remaining added data where there is a blank cells, then you have to again repeat the same process and do the highlight. And that is why I called it the old school method, but we can overcome this drawbacks in the method second. So I have already created the three sheets. There's the same data sets over there, the same data size. So I move to the sheet 2. Over here we make our work more dynamic. So we use conditional formatting to make it more dynamic, but before applying the conditional formatting, we have to again first convert our data sets into table. You have to be inside the data sets and press Ctrl plus T so that you can convert the data sets into the table and click on OK. I don't need the banded rows, so I'll deselect this one, and filter button I'll deselect this. I want my table to be simple, so I select this one. If you want to change the table style, then you can easily do from here. And if you want to change the table name, you can change the table name from here. I want this table name to be fine. This is fine for me. And now before using the conditional formatting, you have to select all whole data sets. So it's already been selected, so I don't need to select it now. So I am in the home sections over here. Here's the conditional formatting. Just click on the conditional formatting and click the new rules. New rules is over here, and there's the option called format only cells that contain. Select this one, and then there's a drop down menu. Just select this drop down menu, and there's a blank option. Select the blanks over here and go to the format, and we want to change the color. And here you have to be in the fill sections. Once you're in the fill section, just select the color. Once you select the color, then hit on OK. Once you again hit on OK, all the blank cells will be highlighted. Now this one is a dynamic. Why I called it a dynamic? Because if you want to add some data over here, just I'll select this data over here. paste over here. This one is the blank cell start, it is automatically highlighted, and if you want to remove this one is highlighted one. So this is the beauty of the method second, and you make your work more dynamic. Now I want to take you to more advanced level. For doing that, because this method is limited to only sheet 2, if you want to edit the sheet 3, if you want to find the blank cells on the sheet 3, then you have to again repeat the same conditional format, make a table and then do conditional formatting. But in the next method, what I will do, I'll do is just record my process, record as a macro, same like as a macro. I'll record is it and make a script. Excel will make the script for me. I'll modify that script and make it more dynamic, so that I can not only use on the next sheet, but even I can use on the different workbook. Now I'll teach you how we can do that. Now I'll move to this next sheets over here. For I already told that that will make it more dynamic, so that we can work on the different worksheets too, right? So for doing that, there's an automate section over here. This automate section is like the office script. It's an office script. This automate sections, you can only use this automate sections if you either have the educational account or the office account. Because I do have my college account, so I can easily use that. If you have those account, then you can use this method. Otherwise you won't be able to use this method. So when you are in the automate section, we'll just record our actions. It has started recording. Now we'll record the same method, the method second. We'll just create our table and then do conditional formatting and stop our recording. Yeah, we'll do the process first. Just press Ctrl T to convert it into the table. Once it is converted in the table, I will select this one and make it as a simple, and you have to go to the home, apply the conditional formatting in the same manner. Once you apply the conditional formatting, it is automatically highlighted the blank cells, right? Now once I click on the stop, the Excel will generate the script of my work. This one is the script. Now if I click in the here, you can see that there's the edit code options, right? I'll edit the code. Why I want to edit my code is that I want to make the table more dynamic, because this recording, this script shows that I can select my data set up to this range A1 to 10,000 to up to that range, but I want my range to be more dynamic. If I have my lower volume of data, I want only to select those volume. If I have the more volume, more than 10,000, if I have the 20,000, then I want to select those 20,000 all data, all rows in the column. For that I need to make it dynamic. So I'll say I will change this data over here. You can select any rows or a column where your data is available. I'll write A3 over here, and we will get all our surrounding information. To get all our surrounding information, we use get surrounding. This one, get surrounding. Once you get surrounding region over here, and we need to also insert get address. We need to get all the address. So this one is the get address. Once you write these two code over there, now you make your table dynamic. Now you just need to do is save the script. If you want to change the name of the script, then you can easily rename it. I will rename it as the highlighting blank cell. I'll save this data. It's already saved. Now your script is saved in OneDrive and you can use whenever you want. Now I'll show you the magic over here. First I will select few data. I'll select up to this data and paste over in the next sheets, but I'll select the values only. Once I select all the values, and once you stay inside the table, and once you run your script, your script will be available over automate section and all scripts. You get all your script over here. Once this one is the script generated by the Excel, right? And we make it more dynamic. We make our table dynamic. Once you click on the play button, now you can see the beauty of the Excel. It will create table, highlight the blank ones, then you can easily do that. This automation part makes your work more fast. It will save more time for you. And I will show you the one more. So I will show you how we can work in the different workbook. Now I'll open the new workbook over here, and then I'll paste the only values over. This one is my new workbook, right? Now when you go to the automate section, since my scripts is available in all the scripts, since it is saved in my OneDrive note, it's already shown over here. Once I click OK, it will automatically highlight the value. So this is more the advanced one. You get to know the idea of how Office script works and how you can automate your work. So the main purpose of making this video is to make you familiar about the Office script and make your work even more faster, so that you can easily save your time, which makes you more efficient. So this much in this video. I hope I cover all these parts and explain you in a clear manner. If you still get confused, just let me know in the comment sections. Till the next video, take care of your health. See you. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.